What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Cosmic Spider-Man from Marvel. Now with all our Spidey tutorials, we're going to start in the center of a page with the eyes. Leaving a gap in the center, let's start over on the left side and draw a curve that goes up, and then we'll just bend that out towards the left. Let's line up the inside on the right, do the same thing, going up and bending that out. Now you want to turn up the top corners of the eye with a short curve. Now from the top, we just want to curve the eye coming around and then back up on the inside. So start up here, just going to bend this out, come down towards the bottom, and just pull that up. Now we're going to go back to the inside and accentuate the brow. Starting from this point, curve the brow coming in and up, and do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside of the left eye, let's step out, curve the head, coming down, and then rounding out the chin, go across, and then back up on the right. Now I'm going to go back to the left side and draw on the top of the head. Starting out here, I'm just going to bump this around the eye, go up and in towards the top, round up the head, come across towards the right, down, and then in. Now that we have the head shape, let's go back and add the opening in the center of the mask. Starting in between the eyes, we're going to start with a point. And here we're going to angle down and out towards the left, towards the bottom of the head. Go back to the center, come down and out towards the right. And now we're going to add that webbing. Starting right in the middle, angle down and out towards the left, come back to the center, and do the same thing on the right. Let's connect the bottom with a curve, going up and then down. Connect the left side with that same curve, and then once more on the right. Now you want to add two more sets of webs up above. So we're going to step up, add that first curve, move up, and draw that again. And then from the ends, go up and out. Now we're going to add that pattern across the top of the head. Starting right in the middle, we're going to start with a half circle. Starting on the left, come down and up on the right. Now on the left side, we're going to angle this up and out, go over towards the right, and do the same thing with a slightly flatter line. Let's work in the left side. We do another half circle going out and then up toward the top, step over, go around, and then in. Let's follow that same angle line going down toward the center circle. Let's close off the top, going up towards the top of the circle, and then down. Angle this up and out. Now when you go to the bottom line, draw another half circle coming down and up towards the side of the head. Go to the top line, go up about a quarter way, draw a straight angle line going up. Now we'll add the edge of one more circle, going around and then up. From this bottom point, step over, draw another angle line going up, and we'll just close off the top of that circle. Now let's go back and add some small circles around the inside of the mask. I'm going to start from the top left. Just going to draw these even-sized circles in these random spots across the head. And now that we complete the head, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We start over on the left side, leaving a gap underneath the head, curve the body going out, and then down towards the hip, move over towards the right. I'm just going to pull that down towards the same height. And then from the hips, we're going to curve this up and in towards the center of the body. Go up and bend that in. From the hips, let's move to the center, step down and add a curve from left to right, going up and then down. And then leaving a small gap in the center, let's go to the left side, curve the leg going out, and down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left heel, curve the foot, coming down and then up. Now we're going to go back to the outside and draw the top of the foot. Start by going up, and we'll bend this down, aiming towards the heel, leaving a gap on the inside. Now I'm going to go back up to the hips and draw the outside of the leg. Start from the left hip, curve the leg going out, and then down on top of the feet. Now we're going to move back up and draw the arms with the energy effect around the hands. So we're going to start with the hand on the left side. Starting right about here, we'll start with the thumb going up, and then bending that down. Round out the tip of the thumb, and then pull that back up, and then curve the palm coming down and in. Let's line up the inside of the thumb all the way over on the right side. So right here, go up, and then down. Round out the thumb, pull it back up, and we'll add the palm. Now we're going to curl 3 fingers around on either side. Starting from the side of the thumb, start with a half oval, going out and then in, step down, toes up underneath the thumb, and we'll do that one more time. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to place that energy effect across the wrist. So let's start underneath the bottom finger, start with the palm coming down and then up, and then we'll draw a wavy line connecting towards the base of the thumb. Just going all the way up towards the top. Let's do the same thing on the right. Start with the palm coming down and up, and we'll draw that wavy line going to the top. Now we want to surround the hands with that same wavy line, starting at the very top here. I'm just going to randomly place this line going all the way around towards the inside and just connect it to the top. Let's go halfway along the side of the body, curve the arm coming down and then out on both sides. And then we'll go underneath the head on the left, curve the arm coming down and back out. Now I'm going to draw some randomly sized black dots around the outside of the hand. Starting on the side, start with one circle, we'll fill that in black, a little bit smaller on the bottom, and I'm just going to randomize the size going all the way around, just in various areas. And we'll do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to place that same pattern across the body and the arms. Let's start right in the middle with a half circle, going up and then down. And then from the ends, draw a short angle line going out toward the side. Pull that back up and out toward the side of the body. Now let's draw on the bottom half. From these 2 points, we're going to step down, draw the bottom of the circle, move down and then up. Follow that same angle line going out towards the side. And then we'll complete the outside circle by curving down and out. Now this pattern is going to extend out towards the side of the arm. So let's start from the left side of the body. Start with a straight angle line going out towards the side. Now we're going to draw that twice. Stepping down, going up, and we'll add the top of the circle. Going up and out. Go down to the bottom line, come out and back up. And now we're going to fill the inside of the body with that same circle pattern, starting from the left side. And then we'll just work our way across the body towards the right. And we're just placing these in random areas of the body. Just a couple more on the right side. And that's pretty much it. There's Cosmic Spider-Man from Marvel. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.